Welcome to our beginner's guide to cryptocurrency trading in Dubai. If you're interested in making money from the latest altcoins, then you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is choose a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many options available, but you should look for one that is reliable, secure, and has a good reputation. Some popular options in Dubai include Binance, Coinbase, and BitOasis. Once you've chosen an exchange, you can start buying cryptocurrency. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the other altcoins that are available on the exchange. Just make sure you do your research and understand the risks before you invest. One key to successful cryptocurrency trading is staying up to date with market trends. Keep an eye on the price movements of the cryptocurrencies you are interested in, and look for patterns that could indicate a good time to buy or sell. Another important aspect of cryptocurrency trading is storing your coins safely. You can do this by using a cryptocurrency wallet, which is a secure digital wallet that can store your coins offline or online. Finally, it's important to know when to sell your cryptocurrency. Don't get too attached to your coins, and be willing to sell them when the time is right. Remember, the goal of trading is to make a profit. Thanks for joining us for this beginner's guide to cryptocurrency trading in Dubai. We hope you found this information useful and that you're ready to start making money from the latest altcoins. Happy trading!